can't tell you what else is rippling this morning. That's the rain. It's all headed our direction. We've got the heavy rain already coming down along the northern Oregon coast, and that is headed through the Coast Range and into the Willamette Valley just in the next couple of hours. Already starting to see those showers again pushing inland up over the northern Oregon Coast Range. A different picture, though, inland right now. We're still seeing some dense fog near Roseburg, where visibility has been reduced down to just a third of a mile. When you add some rain to that, that'll make those driving conditions even more treacherous. So just keep that in mind as you're headed out and about. Also, now seeing reduced visibility, likely just to that heavy rain in Newport at 3 miles there. So again, that rain again continue to march in. You'll notice, though, it's not a very wide band of rain, and it's not going to be. It's going to be a brief period of heavy rain transitioning to scattered showers for the second half of the day. And it's all from just this one cold front, which again is sitting now just offshore. I want to show you sort of the breakdown of the timeline of what happens with a storm like this. First, before the rain even gets here, we see the breezy conditions, and that's going to be the case for the first half of the day. Could see wind gusts as high as 50 miles per hour along the coast, up to 30 miles per hour here in the valley. The further north you travel, the closer you get to the low pressure center, which is up to the north of us. That's where those winds will pack a bigger punch. Then you see that heavy rain right when the front itself passes overhead. That's what I've drawn with that blue line there. And then in behind it, it'll transition to those scattered showers, which will pop up here and there. And you can see the timing of all this on Stormcast, our computer model. When you see those yellows, that's that heavy rain, including the orange there. That's what's at the coast right now, and again, headed on to the east. And behind that, you'll see that rain becomes more moderate and then eventually lighter later on this morning for the coast, stopping it at 8:15 this morning. Now that band of heavy rain is right over the valley for Corvallis, Eugene, and eventually Roseburg. And they'll continue to move into the Cascades from there by 10:30, again pushing up the foothills. And then the rest of us now are just in that period of scattered showers, which will then continue all the way through this evening. We'll get back to dry weather tonight, and it will stay that way all the way through the weekend. But we will also get back into that pattern of morning fog, followed by afternoon sunshine. High temperatures along the coast today. We're talking low 60s. Again, could see those wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Otherwise, winds will be sustained from the southwest at 10 to 20. And then you'll see that heavy rain transitioning to showers later this morning. For the Umpqua Basin, your highs will be in the low to mid 60s. Also seeing rain later this morning, and then scattered showers for the second half of the day. The Cascades will see rain showers and breezy conditions. Wind gusts there to about 35 miles per hour. For Central Oregon, a little bit breezy as well. Scattered showers and highs in the low 60s. And for the Willamette Valley, highs will be back to the low 60s. Morning rain and showers this afternoon. Otherwise, a little bit breezy also for the first half of the day. And then check out this 7-day forecast. For those of you along the coast, you're going to see some dense fog Friday morning. Highs, though, will get back to the low 60s with nice sun breaks through the afternoon and dry Friday all the way through Wednesday. Could see a shower or two popping up Sunday afternoon. Best chances for that will be over the Coast Range. For the Umpqua Basin is back into the upper 50s for you Friday. Low 60s Saturday. Again, we'll see that morning fog followed by that afternoon sunshine, and we'll continue to see dry weather there all the way through the middle part of next week. And for the Cascades, it's going to be beautiful, sunny, and even warm. We're talking 62 degrees all the way up to 5,000 feet. Just chilly into the 30s there overnight. And for the Willamette Valley, again, it's going to be pretty quiet for us once we get through this storm. Morning fog, afternoon sunshine, and dry Friday through Wednesday. Wow.